Men, listen up. In a world where you're either respected or forgotten, essentials are everything. If you don't have these, you're already behind. This isn't about hype. It's about power, presence, and performance. Let's break down the top essentials. Every man must have to dominate life like a savage. Number 1, your face is your brand. If you're walking around with crusty lips, dry skin, or a neck beard, you're screaming, "I don't give a damn." Invest in a premium grooming kit, beard trimmer, nose hair clipper, skincare, cologne. Because if you can't manage yourself, how are you going to lead anyone else? Number 2, smell is power. One signature fragrance can make a woman remember you forever, or forget you instantly. Get something masculine, fresh, and bold, not drugstore garbage. You're not a teenager anymore. You're a walking brand. Make sure you leave an unforgettable scent behind. Number 3, real men wear watches, not to check time, but to command it. A watch tells the world you respect precision, and you know how to finish what you start. It doesn't have to cost a fortune, but it better look like it does. Number 4, when you dress like a king, you get treated like one. Every man needs a tailored outfit that says, "I don't compete, I dominate." Whether it's a first date, job interview, or closing a deal, your outfit should punch louder than your words. Number 5, let's be real, no one respects broke potential. You need money, a plan, and discipline. Budget, invest, build income streams, get out of debt. A man without control over his money is a slave to whoever signs his check. Be your own boss, or die trying. Number 6, you can't buy discipline, but you can build it in the gym. Your body is your armor. Stop making excuses. Build strength, stamina, and self-respect. No man is taken seriously when he's soft. Lift heavy, move fast, stay dangerous. Number 7, mental chaos leads to weak decisions. Start every day with silence, clarity, and focus. Journal, meditate, pray, strategize, control your mind, or it will control you. A savage doesn't just train his body, he sharpens his mind daily. Number 8, show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Drop the gossipers, party boys, and clout chasers. Surround yourself with men who push you, not pacify you. Iron sharpens iron. Weak circles breed soft men, period. Number 9, you are either prey or protector. Learn to fight. Learn to defend. A man who can't protect himself is a liability. You don't need to start fights, but you better be able to end them. Number 10, the ultimate essential purpose. Without it, nothing else matters. You can have money, looks, and status, but without purpose, you'll still feel empty. Lock in your mission, build your legacy, move like a man on a warpath. Because when a man finds his purpose, he becomes unstoppable. These aren't just essentials. They're the non-negotiables of a man who's going somewhere. Drop a comment with the one you're missing, and what you're committing to today. Hit that like button if you're building yourself brick by brick. This is your era. Own it.